Hi guys, I told you I was going to come back with a review for these cat doors. Well, so far they've been great. They do exactly what they should do. And this feature of selecting the direction block, you can see it's both ways now. This is the lock. I usually lock the cat outside if it makes noises, or I want a poor guy out of the room, you know. I don't really use the other direction. It's basically preventing the cat from going outside, which I never want to do, because he has the toilet, the litter box in the bathroom. But yeah, the only thing, well, this one's the only thing that bothers me is the noise that the door is making. You can see it's not quietest thing around. Hold on a second. Oh, I just ate and it's hard to work after you eat. I've used some plastic grease. You can see this one makes a lot less noise. Yeah, the door handle broke at the bathroom. There's a lot of stuff going on. You can see I was swinging that one open and it was perfectly silent. You can hear it kind of squeaks a bit, and there's that noise it makes. I'm just gonna unscrew it. Put the screws aside. And it's really cool because once you get that big hole in the door, I mean in the big door, it's really easy to get the cat door out. Just unscrew these 4 screws and the whole thing is ready to come out. This one doesn't want to come out though. Sorry about that. A little bit allergic. That's just some wood debris left over from when I drilled the hole in the door. Now, let me get the screen here so I can see what I'm... there's mainly 2 issues with these hinges right here. So one thing is these hinges that wobble around a lot, and the fact that it's plastic on plastic and it kind of makes a squeaking noise. I'm not sure about this one. I used a bit of some washers for the other one to kind of limit this wobbling. It tempts me to do something else here, kind of heat up these ends and try to force something a little bit thicker through the hinges, maybe even a screwdriver. Like, where's the screwdriver? I left it on the floor, didn't I? Kind of heat it up and then force this in and try and make this larger. Okay, let's see how that goes. Not totally sure about this. I might end up breaking it. Yep. No, not very nice. Kind of stupid to do it right in front of the lens like that. Let me just zoom in a bit. How's this? Let's see how this is. Well, it kind of seems that it would do this job. Maybe just a little bit less heating. So I'm done with that. Not sure which way it is now. Yeah, this is it. Now let's see if I can go close now because there's no fire. Let's see how well I did. Not very well, apparently. This one's completely messed up. Don't even have a plastic file. Have to work my... I have some sandpaper. I'm not sure if that will help. That's basically thickened out the entire thing. Especially this short end. Sorry if you don't get that on camera. It's a lot of trial and error with these things. Wait, did I chop the wrong end? Okay, camera constantly running out of space. This ended up a lot better than I expected to. And it's damn camera. No sound at all, and I didn't even use the grease. That turned out to be a much better idea than I thought. Let's just grease this up and we're ready to go. Yeah, so aside from the noise, these things are actually pretty nice, I'd say. Just gonna apply a little bit of plastic grease. I ordered this on AliExpress. Yeah, I don't know why the camera keeps telling me I don't have enough space, even though I've deleted a lot of videos. This is the door that's now been taken care of with those hinges and lubricated with the plastic grease. You can tell it's much more silent now. And that noise is just the door stops. Otherwise, it's a lot more silent. Thanks for watching. See you next time.